Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to present our topic about the role of change management in ensuring ERP success. This report aims to give you a clear and simple understanding of the topic, including its meaning, importance, and examples. What is ERP? ERP is a comprehensive software platform that replaces fragmented departmental systems with integrated modules. Core capabilities typically include accounting and budgeting, payroll and HR management, procurement and inventory, production planning, and service delivery. By consolidating transactional data and workflows, ERP delivers operational efficiency, consistent reporting, and ability to make data-driven decisions at scale. Si ERP man is gatabang man siya mag-manage ng finance, employees, inventories, and operations, and make the work faster and mas organized, and helps for making better decisions. ERP and change management, ensuring successful transformation. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, connects people, processes, and data across finance, HR, supply chain, and operations to create a single trusted source of truth. This short deck explains why structured change management is essential to make ERP investment succeed and how to put practical practices into play. ERP is a system na gatabang sa salong company para mag-manage ng gabos, and it connects to the people, work processes, and yung important data ng different departments like finance, HR, supply chain, and operations. Because everything is connected duman sa company, madali na nindang mahanap yung tama and buda updated na information. Change management man is katabang siya para sa mga tao para mag-adjust duman sa new system ni sa yung company nganing maging successful. Example is yung sa sayong eskwelahan ganing bagong system na ga-manage ning grades and records. Tapos yung di pa man dumaning batid ng mga teachers. So, kaipuhan itong i-train yung mga teachers nganing di sila ma-confuse and kung paano ito gamiton. How ERP changes the organization. Finance and reporting, unified general ledger, real-time profit and loss, faster month and close, and improved auditability. Finance and reporting man is makes the financial tracking faster and more accurate. HR and payroll, centralized employee records, streamline payroll, and consistent talent analytics. Si HR and payroll man is yakip niya man yung mga employee data in one place and make the salary processing easier. Supply chain and procurement, end-to-end visibility across procurement, inventory, and logistics to reduce stock outs and costs. Siya man yung ga-tracking supplies and avoid the shortages ng mga products. Operations and manufacturing, integrated planning, scheduling, and quality controls that raise throughput and reduce waste. Siya man yung ga-improve yung planning and productions and reducing waste. What is change management? Change management is a structured approach to shifting individuals and organizations from current to future states. It focuses on the human side of change, preparing people, reinforcing new behaviors, and embedding new processes so technology investments realize their intended benefits. Effective change management blends communication, training, leadership, alignment, and stakeholders engagement into the project life cycle. Change management is a step-by-step way to move from the old ways to new ways and focuses on helping the people nga ni masabutan ninda kung paano ninda i-adapt yung bagong system and the process ni new system na ito and kung ano ang gigibonduman and kung paano ito gamitin. Why change management matters for ERP? ERP projects are transformative. They alter daily work, decision rights, and process handles across the enterprise. Without intentional change management, resistance increases, adoption stalls or fails, user errors and workarounds proliferate, ROI is delayed or not realized, project risk, budget overruns, and business disruption rise. ERP management matters for ERP because ERP helps to work smoothly and successful.
Core benefits. Change management is essential for successful ERP rollouts, delivering 4 key advantages. Reduce resistance. Proactive engagement addresses concerns, build up trust, and speeds up adoption. When people understand why the change is happening and feel heard, they are less likely to push back, making the transition smoother. Higher user adoption. Role-specific training and support improve skills and reduce support workload. Training tailored to specific jobs help users become competent faster, meaning the business starts seeing results sooner. Lower project risk. Early stakeholders' involvement and clear governance prevent scope creep and disruptions. Getting buy-in early and having clear rules prevent the project from expanding uncontrollably or causing operational chaos. Business alignment ensures the ERP supports long-term strategic goals and process changes. It ensures the technology actually support what the business is trying to achieve rather than becoming just another tool. Key components. Effective change management relies on 4 interconnected elements. Communication creates awareness and keeps everyone informed. Training builds the skill needed to use the new system. Leadership support. Leaders model the change and demonstrate commitment. Stakeholder engagement involves user to create ownership and buy-in. All 4 are necessary to move from awareness to sustained use. Practical actions. Communication and training. Communications. Use multiple channels, email, meetings, intranet. Tailor messages to different roles and share regular updates. Training. Design role-based courses. Use mixed learning methods, online or hands-on practice, and offer ongoing support after launch. Measurement. Track completion rates, skill levels, and support requests to improve quickly. Leadership and stakeholder engagement. Visible leadership executes should sponsor the project, communicate priorities, and participate in key milestones. Stakeholder involvement. Involve process owners and end user early in planning, testing, and approval. Clear governance. Define role, decision-making, processes, and who is responsible for achieving benefits. Conclusion and next steps. Change management is not optional. It is crucial to getting value from ERP. ERP systems work only if people use them effectively. Invest early in communication, training, leadership, leadership, and engagement. Continuously measure adoption and make improvements after launch. Recommended action. It is recommended to create a detailed change management plan that maps stakeholders, communication strategies, training plans, and governance checks aligned with your ERP project timeline.